Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a package from... Japan! This is an Umai crate. A company called Japan Crate makes these. They do a whole bunch of different boxes. If you want to get one, there's a coupon code that I'll reveal towards the end, or you can probably find it elsewhere. You want me to open it? Okay. Alright, ready, set?
Go!
And here's what you get right when you open it. What do you think of that? Alright, so the most important thing you should know is not to lose this thing. This is the informational pamphlet. As you can see here, it shows everything that comes in the Umai crate, and it has instructions. So if you lose this and you don't know how to read instructions in Japanese, you might be screwed. Next, we've got a recipe card. They've been including recipe cards in the last few boxes. They're pretty cool. This month we have Sapporo sauce yakisoba. Stir up yakisoba this March with these noodles, featuring a fresh scented sauce containing a balanced blend of flavors and spices. What's this one, you might ask? This is Ace Cook with their Fujiko Juntoro Combo Soba. Enjoy a flavorful buckwheat soba in this yummy cup made with Tororo seaweed. It's known to be a finely shaved dried kelp that is soaked in vinegar. Interesting. Next we've got an Itomen variety. This is their Shijimi ramen. Take your taste buds for a tailspin with this seafood ramen, including shijimi, Japanese basket clams, and wakame sea. This one's interesting. It looks to have a bottle of medicine with it. This is Momoya Tsuyu Kitsune Udon. Lay your taste buds in a bed of udon this March with a bowl featuring a mentsuyu broth, Japanese soup base from sake, mirin, soy sauce, kombu, and katsubushi. Ready in minutes. Have yours on a busy night for a quick meal. Alright, next we have a little sachet of eggplant miso soup. Get royalty, luxurious traditional Japanese restaurant quality miso soup with this instant freeze-dried version made with shinshu red miso and eggplant that's full of authentic and rich taste. Next we have udon soup. Enjoy the traditional taste of bonito and kelp with these well-balanced udon soup base packets. For ease of use, it is packaged in individual servings to make udon at home. And my guess is you'd want to pair it with this. This is Sanuki Udon. The town Sanuki Hanpo, Kagawa Prefecture, is quite well known in Japan for a variety of dry noodles. Use this pack with this month's udon soup base to make your own udon. And finally, we have a Marutai variety. I've found those to be quite good. This is Ikosha animal-free Hakata Ramen. Hakata Ramen is known for its rich, milky pork bone tonkatsu broth and rather thin, non-curly, and resilient noodles. Taste Hakata Ramen from the comfort of your own home while not inconveniencing an animal. And finally, kids, it's time. We're at the end, and now it's time to show you the bonus item. This month's ultra exciting bonus item is Furikake Sesame Lettuce. Enjoy sesame and seaweed flavor at once with this furikake seasoning that's full of rich aroma. Just by sprinkling it on rice, you can enjoy the delicious and flavorful taste. Try it with rice and soft-boiled egg. Alright, so in this, the March 2019 Umai crate, you get udon, a bowl of clam noodles, yakisoba, udon broth, miso soup, soba, kitsune udon with this weird bottle that looks like some kind of medicine, Hakata ramen, some weird sesame lettuce, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well hey, cool, thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these, go check out the link below. And if you want to save some money. Are you ready to give out the coupon code?
Ready!
Alright, here you go. Alright, cool. This has been Hans and this has been
Really?
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.